Sanibonani-ke ubongiwe Indlovukazi Ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe. Lona-ke umamgobhozi wenu wodumo oniphathela zona zishisa on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.
Sanibonani-ke ubongiwe Indlovukazi Ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngesifo nje esingozi kakhulu. Siphethe umfobo kamngani wethu. So umngani wethu uyangena la bongiwe uthi ngiyazi ukuthi enene abantu bakho bajwayele ukuthi bakhulume ngezothando. Kodwa namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngendaba yomndeni uthi we have a brother ekhaya bongiwe who's schizophrenic. Ngazi noma ngibeka kahle yini. So ubhuti wakhe uzwa izinto ekhanda ezikhulumayo lezi zinto nje zingamtshela ukuthi akabulala umuntu or zimtshela ukuthi usibani wenza ukuthi engakwenzanga zingamtshela ukuthi mhlambe nje kusho ukuthi khona izinto ezikhulumayo like akaphilile ngesizulu nje uthi say akekho right mentally emqondweni nje uyagula nje kusho ukuthi ngesizulu ngathi umuntu ohlanyayo uthi ke so when we were growing up uthi sase right ekhaya imina sinabazali ababili and then bese kuba umfowethu kube udade wethu kanye nami uthi so samantombazana u2 nobhuti oyedwa kanye nabazali bethu uthi so siyahlala ke nabazali we grew up in this one family household where abazali bethu nje ba present empilweni yethu but you know belokhu bethola izingane zamantombazane until bazibathola ubhuti wami it was you know kubona kwakuyilokhuzana kwakuyiphupho kubona ukuthi bathole umfana because they've always wanted to have a boy but also awuzange basikhulise ngeindlela ezingafani basikhulise nje ngeindlela ezifanayo besinika uthando olufanayo uthi ezisiqala sesikhula sesiba badala la ubhuti wami khona esengena eminyakeni 25 26 waqala ubhuti wami waba nebehavior nje eshintshayo ekhaya like he's always angry he's always mad and wayiswa kudokotela like ngoba they thought ukuthi he's having a depression makayiswa kudokotela then udokotela amdiagnose ukuthi une schizophrenia okay diagnose udokotela ukuthi akekho right ekhanda bese eyasuka abazali kubuzwe ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe njani ya safe environment into kanje kuqhubeke ukuthi bongiwe sihlale ke nobhuti wami and we know ukuthi already mentally he's struggling he's not okay but kungabi khona ushintsho oluthile but siyambona nje amamutsi akhe ukuthi ayashintsha but there was no ushintsho ekhaya kangako ukuthi khona into enomehluko uthi up until sisibongiwe kuze kufika isikhathi la ubhuti exabana nosisi wami uthi ubhuti kuthe nje sihleli nje sihlalele nje etafuleni kudliwa ukudla ubhuti wami bese qala abe angry nje sikhale no reason unprovoked akekho umuntu okakhuluma na into etheni or washo into ethile ke usisi wami wezithulele eyibhekela ifoni edla waqala walwa wathetha abazali they try to ukuthi bamkhuza ukuthi hayibo ayikho lento okhuluma ngayo uthi walwa wathi yena nimuzwa yena usisi wami ukuthi ukhuluma nami uyangithethisa wathiwa no but she's quiet wathi cha uthi walwa uthe suka lapho wabesukuma egxavuna usisi like engathi enene umuntu ofuna ukumbulala nje uthi abazali bamkhuze and aqala za abambe ekhanda bambe yamadlebe like ukuthi he's hearing voices kunama voices amtshela ukuthi enene there's something wrong usisi wakhe usisi wami wenza ukuthi again uthi bongiwe abazali bamkhuze bese kwehle naye realize kube ngathi uyabounce back ingqondo yakhe yabuya back ukuthi no man he's doing something wrong uthi bese kuyashiwo bese abazali bayatshela ukuthi imhambiseni esibhedlela ayo checkwa futhi because it's like ngathi these mental issues zakhe they getting worse uthi abazali bathi no why he's gonna be okay uthi njalo nje ekhaya bese siphila ngama episode nje uthola ukuthi he's angry for no reason or he's yelling or it's either uthethisa abazali or uthethisa bona uthi nje bekuyiloyo nto leyo so episode oqala la afuna ukushaya khona udade wethu uthi that was our first episode yokurealize ukuthi man no lo muntu uyagula but uthi abazali bethu masibatshela they not taking it seriously like it's like ngathi ba in denial because it's umntwana wabo it's their son and only son that is uthi ke asuke emva kwalokho kudlula izinsuku baloku behleli ekhaya ilokhu iyenzeka nje lento ukuthi aphathwa ama episode akhe depression but they are not extreme la extreme. The first extreme thing ayenzileyo ukuthi axavuna udadewethu ambambe engathi ufuna ukulwa naye uthi, and then ngeza nami uthe ngelinye ilanga nje sihlalele sesiqedile ukudla, we are just watching TV and we are minding our business, umfowethu kuzwe ngumfowethu esengibamba engikinya uthi like ngiyamemeza, I can't breathe, ngiyasuffocate, abazali bayamkhuza, usisi wami uyamemeza, uyambamba, uyamxavuna naye ampushelele kude. My brother is also fighting back. Uthi kube mapetopete ekhaya, uthi kuliwe until kuze kubizwa amaphoyisa. Makubizwa amaphoyisa, afika amaphoyisa because he even though wayesemdedela usisi wami, but he still kept on fighting, alokhelwa ekhuluma, and manje lo muntu lo because umfana unamandla. Uthi until kuze kubizwa amaphoyisa, makubizwa amaphoyisa kusho ukuthi enene ucishe walimaza udade wabo, bayaxabana kanje abazali bakhulume, but ukubabona ukuthi abazali they are not abakhulumeli ukuthi enene bazama ukuthi basesayidini, bakhulumela ukuthi badabukela umfana ukuthi he wasn't okay, he's got mental issues. It was one of those episodes where abamba usisi wakhe. Uthi siqhubeka isikhathi aphinde futhi ayenze lento kusisi wakhe futhi omunye ke manje, not kumngani wethu, ayenze kusisi wakhe omunye where usisi wakhe almost lost her life. Uthi babiza amaphoyisa futhi basho ukuthi amaphoyisa, if the family doesn't open a case abakwazi ukuthi bambophe, and because is a person ongekho mentally well, who's mentally unstable, abakwazi ukwenza lutho unless ifamily yamthatha imusa kuphi, ku-psychiatric hospital. Uthi Bongiwe kuthuleke ngalobo busuku kuze ngakusasa ubhuti wethu ahambe nabangani bakhe, bese sisala nabazali sikhulume nabazali. Bazali niyambona ubhuti ukuthi akekho right, we need to ukuthi simuse ku-psychiatric hospital, or he needs to get amaphilisi to suppress whatever that is feeling ekhanda. Uthi Bongiwe abazali kube ngathi bayezwa, bathi okay sizokwenza. Hayi uthi ubhuti ezeminyaka iqhubeka the schizophrenia yakhe is getting worse. Uthi it's getting worse, like nje it's uncomfortable. Uthi ekhaya sekuhlale kutense, wonke umuntu useyasaba ukukhuluma, noma ungakhuluma ngavele lento yakhe uthi vele imqale angafuna ukukinya kubulale ngisho ukenzanga lutho. Uthi noma ungakhulumanga nokukhuluma naye it's a bit hard now because awumazi ukuthi enene lama episodes akhe azomvuka nini. Uthi okay bese sihlala nabazali ke futhi okwesibili sibatshela abazali, ma nobaba hambisani ubhuti ku-mental ntontoni because akekho right, and then niyambona nani ukuthi akekho right. Uthi abazali bethu because it's their son, uyababona nje ukuthi bayanqikaza abazimiselanga ukuthi enene bamhambise. Uthi amantombazane abese enza decision ukuthi if ningamhambisi we're gonna move out, and I'm gonna move out with my younger sister, sizohamba la sihlale sodwa. And then nakampela kusisi amove out, yazagcineke seshadileke lo munye omdala, kusaleke lo mncane, but lo mncane naye umove out naye. Uthe suka lapho lo omncane usisi abese ethola i-apartment because waqala wahlala nosisi wakhe isikhathi eside. Lo mncane ke uyena umngani wethu ahlale nosisi wakhe isikhathi eside. Uthe usisi wakhe maseshada, then yena she looked for i-apartment. It's a closer but not too close to abazali bakhe, like you can still drive, it's a drive away in the same neighborhood. But lo mdala nje wavele wa-exita nje wathi nje I want to be far away from my brother because I don't know ukuthi lento yakhe when it gets triggered yini enye that is capable of doing, because lo muntu lo wangichoka wacishe wangibulala ngingenzele lutho ngingazange ngithi vukela. And mangithi abamuse kudokotela ayothatha amaphilisi, nina anifuni ukwenza, so usisi wamuva kwahlala kude naye, wayishadela wayitholela abantwana. Now eziminyaka ihamba nalo munye omncane wamuva out, wahlala nosisi wakhe. Uthe usisi wakhe maseshadile waseyamuva kusisi, wabuyela back kwi-city, like indawo yangakubo ukuthi nje bebehlala eMlazi. Now usisi wahamba yena wayoqasha eMthwalume because ubalekela ubhuti wakhe. Uthe esuka lapho maseshada lo oshadele eMthwalume, then usisi omncane bese yabuya azohlala eMlazi but not kwi-section efanayo nabazali bakhe. Uthi ke but also nakhona usisi wakhe makabuya lo umngane wethu uthi mangibuya still I was scared ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ubhuti wami angahlangana nami emgaqweni, he could do something because I don't know ukuthi angaba njani, but I need to stay closer to my parents because sebebadala, so ukuhlala kwabo naye akukho safe even for them, but bona abayi understand lonto uyeza part 2. uthi abayi-understand lonto ngihlale nabo-ke but ngihlala a bit far, like you can still drive a bit far, ngihlala kwenye section eMlazi. Uthi okay Bongiwe, ngisuke emva kwalokho kuyabe abazali bethu basibizela i-meeting nosisi wami bayasitshela ukuthi and then they've removed us from the will. Ekhaya ke uthi sumndeni nje ongekho rich kakhulu but we are well off enough. Uthi they removed me and my sister from the will, and will now if family estate is under my brother lo ongekho okay ekhanda osanganayo who almost killed me and my sister. Uthi abazali bethu they removed us, and uthi we assuming Bongi ukuthi enene ubhuti wethu had to do with the fact that abazali bethu bas remove kwi will. It wasn't their choice. Uthi okay, then bese siyababuza abazali ukuthi and then what happened, kodwa nakhona sibabuza because asifuna ukuthi sibabuza from a point of are they safe, are they okay, asifuna kube ngahlambe sizama ukuba ngifa labo osifuna ukuthi yonke into ibelonge kuthina, sibabuza from a point of ukuthi ba right yini. Uthi uthe after sibabuzile lokho abazali bas cut off, but block our numbers, they don't call us, we can't access them. When we try to call them, my brother picks it up. Uti like askwazi ukubafonela. Uthi Bongiwe, I'm more worried about safety abazali bami than anything, than any assets, than yonke into imali yabo or whatever that is happening, because ngiyazi ukuthi ubhuti wami is a ticking bomb. Mayimvuka le schizophrenia sakhe uthi anything can happen. Angaklinge ngisho abazali. Uthi I haven't talked to my parents for a year because I can't access them. Angikwazi ukubafonela, and mangiye ekhaya ngiyasaba ukuthi and then if ngiyangena endlini I will still meet my brother. And amaphoyisa they can't be involved because it has to be my parents abathatha decision yokuthi and then bahambe bayisa ubhuti wami ku mental institution or aboshwe. But abazali bami the way abamthanda ngakhona ubhuti wami and the way because umfana wabo kuphela kwaye, okay, so they are not considering all those facts. Uthi Bongiwe, now we are worried ukuthi possibly even ngisho abazali bami beshona ubhuti wami enza something ngikubona we will never know because badala sebebadala, and nokuthi basikhiphe kwi-will we do assume that it was yena i-upper hand yakhe. Uthi ke imali is not a problem because siyasebenza, I'm working nosisi wami ushadile ba right nomyeni wakhe and sebeneyingane esezikhulile. Uthi it's really uncomfortable. Uthi Bongiwe ke kuthenge linye ilanga ngihambela ngiyemsebenzini ngihlangana nentombazane that was dating my brother at the time when we left home. Uthi mangihlangana lentombazane lena iyangitshela ukuthi enene ihambile yayovulela icala ubhuti wami almost tried to kill her wacishe washona. Uthi naye nje uthi wathi behleli nje esikhaleni ekhaya uguy lo wavele wakhuluma engathi bayaqophisana. Uthi but by that time uthi sisi ngangakhulumi naye ngangasho lutho, but wengiphendule ngathi mina ngilwa naye. Uthi esuka lapho wabeqala engishaya. Uthi I realized ukuthi and abazali bakhe babengekho ngaleso sikhathi leso. Uthi realize ukuthi and then my life is in danger, then I went ngihamba ngo report case. Uthi mangi report case ngivule emaphoyiseni ukuthi ubhuti wami I mean le ndoda le internal engishayile. Uthi abazali bafika police station, they produced ukuthi the guy is mentally not well so he can't be arrested. Uthi wangaboshwa ubhuti wami. So now, abekho will yabazali babo at all. Their parents disowned the sisters. Kusela ubhuti kuphela ekhaya uhlala nabo. But not only did they disown them, baba movile from a will. And it was their brother that told them. Uthi we like it's a bit depressing because asumndeni uzwanayo and umndeni oyimbumba. Uthi but now ngendlela ekungakhona ngayo, like it's depressing for even our kids because our kids, mostly my sister's kids, because mina nginabo abantwana, uthi mostly abantwana basiswami they've never seen their grandparents. They've never seen their grandparents because they can't access them. Uthi bayasaba nokuthi baye laphayana because mabaya abazi ukuthi ubhuti wabo uzo act kanjani. Uthi for all you know ubhuti wami mhlambe kade abangcwaba endlini wabangcwaba endlini, but we will never know uthi Bongiwe, so I'm telling the story so that I can ask abangani bethu ukuthi kule situation esifana nalesi, what do you do when you have a family member who's mentally not stable but they are protected by the parents, and every time bayaphuma mababophisa and they don't even want to take them to a mental institution where they can get psychological help. Wathi angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Ngiyacela guys ke simbonise umngane wethu ukuthi enze njani. Mina my advice angizukhuluma ngokuthi benze njani, ngizokhuluma nje ukuthi ukuhamba kwenu ekhaya was the best decision you've ever done. Because safety yenu is more important than imali zabazali. Abazali benu ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima because abazali benu ibona phela abazali benu that made a choice but choose your brother over you. So Nina, you guys have to live with that and just go to therapy ukuze nibe right mentally. But your parents, they made the choice. I understand ukuthi you guys are worried about them because phela bayanzala. Kodwa ibona benza decision. And yes, possibly baphoqa ubhuti wenu, but ibona benza decision ukuthi ban disown and also remove you out of the wheel. And your parents, maybe they can get a phone somewhere bacele noma kamakhelwane banfonele if they are in danger. You know? So I think Mina, just let go. I know it's hard to let go of umzali. Sike sibabona abantu bebhalela ukukhumbula ekhaya befuna abazali abangazange babondle babalahla. So iwesi kumzali make wakukhulisa akulahle usumdala, so I think that pain is even worse. But the best thing when a parent is not available is just disown them. The money leyo buzo inika bona ubapha imali isazi lo mali yoku therapy ngayo for your sanity. Do you understand? Yeah, bangani bethu ke ngiyacela name advice umngani wethu because I don't know what to say when it comes to advising them in terms of iwili, in terms of the safety of their parents, in terms of nje ukuthi they can't see their parents, in terms of ukula kaput wabo ukuthi yini abangayenza ezokwazi ukuthi enene ibasize and bathole nje umhlahlandlela kule nkinga abanayo. As for me, ngicela mawubuka izitori zami ubuke nama advert. Right? Buke nama advert ku YouTube. It's very important ukuthi ubuke ama advert because why? I get paid. Mina ngifike ngifunda istory bese ngisithethela wena bese ngiyahola ke YouTube. Also, ngicela uhambe uyobheka ku YouTube Bongiwe Ndlovukazi. Ngiyanazi ukuthi enene nigcwele lapha ku TikTok. Hamba no subscriber on my YouTube channel. I literally need you guys to come and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I have 30k subscribers. On YouTube I have 500k followers. Akeningi subscribele. On TikTok nama followers inqwaba na ku Facebook. Hamba no subscriber ku YouTube itori ngiziposters phelele. Okay? Follow Ubongiwe Ndlovukazi on my Facebook page. Follow Ubongiwe Ndlovukazi on TikTok. Bese uya subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bese nginilethela zona zishisa. Istory silandelayo umngani wethu uhlukene nendoda yakhe. Wase accuse her of a crime. Indoda is on probation. Emsebenzini for the crime abebexoxe bona belazi ukuthi okay, never mind, ngizonixoxela. That's the next story silandelayo. Bye bye kodwa umngane wethu yagowa. Bye.